I'm gonna do Justin Bieber Pray. It's a sad song you probably never heard. It's so. Here, if I turn down the volume. Here. How about I turn it off? There. Now you can actually see my whole face. I'm gonna do Pray. It's a sad song, and I have it on disc. It's on my two. That's it. Here it's on. Let me just have my larger head that I have. Alright. Go. If I get to do. And I can't sleep tonight. It's in the paper, it's on the TV, it's everywhere I go. I'm crying, this is the silence, and people don't have a home. Close my eyes and I can see it all the time. Close my eyes and pray. Close my eyes and I can see a better day. Close my eyes and pray. Holy my eyes. Oh, the best, the friend, the sun, I close my eyes and I can see a better day. I close my eyes and close my eyes and I can see a better day. I close my eyes and pray for the broken heart. I pray for the life not started. I pray for all the peace not seen. I pray for all the souls that need it. Yeah. I just can't sleep tonight because I'm trying to make a change. I close my eyes and I see a better day. I close my eyes and pray. Close my eyes and I can see a better day. I close my eyes and I pray. Oh, I pray. I pray. Close my eyes and pray. That's just gonna be where praying it's kind of sad. Okay, peace out. Subscribe, watch it, leave. Bye. Oh, bye.